energy. No power, no problem with Sunsynk.
Well, welcome to our Sunsynk factory. This is the R&D centre. It's an amazing, I don't know if you saw our video, we were talking about the 100 kilowatt inverter, but there is one hell of a lot of things going on. This is massive. We've got over 150 R&D engineers and massive, millions and millions of pounds of tech.
So this is the SMT line, for the assembling of PCBs and circuit boards for the inverters. I tell you, this place is absolutely huge. It's massive.
It really is big, the SMT department. SMT stands for Surface Mount Technology. It's where we actually put the components onto the PCBs, the printed circuit boards, all done by robotic. So you have the insertion machines and these things, you see these long things are actually the ovens, they're called reflow ovens. It's where they solder all the components together onto the PCB, onto the printed circuit board. But it's absolutely huge.
Each production line costs $5 million.
Yeah, it's really good. Right, we're moving into the Tesla assembly line. You see a lot of robotic equipment being used in the production. Again, it's on a scale, an unbelievable scale. Every inverter is tested. You see all the various test equipment. It's taking us from the stands. We've got a lot of test equipment, awful lot. Every machine runs for about 10 to 12 hours soak test. You see the guys doing the assembly here. What a place.
So we're in a corner of the factory. David's hiding there. He's not going to hide. He's not going to flipping hide. So this is testing simulating. Oh, these are real tests with solar panels on the roof.
Yeah.
So anything? Where's the the batteries or the batteries?
Yeah. And so this is now without solar.
Yeah, I know there's no solar at the moment.
Yeah.
So this is actually the 16 kilowatt. In fact, we've got. If you follow us on the social media, I just see on the social media. This is what we call the monster. So this is a great product. This is really, really nice. It's really nice. I love it because the connections are different. I show people, you open it up and you look at it. It's so different. It's really nice. I tell you, well done. It's superb. Love it.
A lot of the things about making a good product is testing. You see these things on soak testing, long germ, and of course EMC testing. We absolutely take it so serious because these things we don't want interfering or being affected by other appliances in the home. And you can see our EMC test laboratory is one of the biggest anechoic chambers in China. It's huge.
So what did you think of the factory? There's so much going on. 100 kilowatt hybrid inverter. I did say it last time at the show. Well, we've got it. Wait till you see it. We'll show it in Johannesburg, all being well. There's so much going on. Well, I tell you what, it is a beautiful day in Ningbo, and it's not raining. The sun is shining. Listen, thank you for following my videos. Really appreciate it, and please, please, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
Choose smart energy. No